So sequence is defined by the following. We have the initial term u1, which has a value for 1, and then we have un plus 1, which equals 2 minus 3 times un. So this is a sequence, this is a series and sequence where we plug in the initial value to get the next term up. Now here they want us to find the value of u2 and then u3. So all I did was just think, okay, to get u2, since this is un plus 1, if you substitute n equals 1 first, you get u2 here and u1. So forming an equation, you get u2 equals 2 minus 3 times u1. And because we know the value u1, which is 1, this becomes 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. So we got u2. Now you do the same for u3. To get u3, just plug in n equals 2. So you have u3 here and u2. And it looks a bit like that. So it's just a reoccurring sequence. And you can do it for any n value, like at least integer n values, whole numbers. And you always get one term back from the main one. So doing it for the second, for u3, you should get u3 equals 2 minus 3 times u2, which is negative 1. So 2 minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 5. And you're done. I also did u4 because for the next part B, we need to go up to the fourth term. So doing the same thing again, you should get minus 13. Now, let's look at B. So calculate the value of the sum from 1 to 4. So in other words, the first 4 terms of this sequence, r minus ur. Now, if you're not familiar with summation, all this means is that we have to firstly replace every term here that has an r by 1. So that gives us the first term. Plus, and then we do the next term up, which is 2. And then the next term 3. And then finally 4. So it's just a sequence where you have to sum them up. So this is the summation. It's quite easy, really. So all you do now is just solve it. So because we have because we have all of this, if we add up all the constants first, we've got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you should get 10. And then you got minus u1, minus u2, minus u3, and minus u4. And that all becomes like this. So this is just simplified. Now plugging in the values for u1, which is 1, u2, u3, and u4, you should get 18. And that's it. That's literally number 2 also done. Now, before we carry on, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat like. And yeah, and subscribe and share to your friends. Otherwise, I'm going to keep on going and let's see how we do.